everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's badged out as an SS, guys. It's a big block. It's got a big block underneath the hood, but this is not a true super sport, guys. Great car. Recent body up restoration out of North Carolina. Factory ash gold car. It's got the black vinyl top, the black vinyl interior. You can see it's got a good looking set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the SS rallies. Nice car, man. Big block 454 underneath the hood. Muncie 4-speed, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. And I'll tell you, sometimes I think my luck is just bad. I literally just had to call the guy that I got this car from just to make sure I wasn't hallucinating. This car's got a factory tach in it, and it was working, and it has just stopped. I've had about 3 of these in a row that have done this to me. But all the other gauges are working. Thing runs and drives excellent. Healthy big block. But and I love the 68 tachs. It got the little roller tach in it, but it has stopped working. So I don't know if it's a connection or something. We'll take a peek at it. Again, factory ash gold metallic car. Pretty color combo. Car sits good. You can see, you can nitpick some of the stuff. It's got the original trim there. Paint's very nice. And we're missing a little screw in there. Bumpers are nice. This is a good car. Good looking car. Bunch of stuff still coming, guys. Make sure you keep track of that website. Doing the best we can to kind of get them in there and get them advertised as fast as we can. A few little scratches in that back glass. It's a good car, though. I'll tell you what, this car runs out and drives really good. Nice and flat down the sides. Again, good looking set of rubber on it. Bumpers are nice and straight. It's a little blemish there in the paint. Still very nice, guys. I try to pick them apart a little bit in these videos here because we sell so many of them sight unseen. I don't want you to get something and think it's perfect. None of them are perfect, man. I have literally sold over 6,000 of these things, and I've never seen a perfect car yet. But it's got to be nice. I don't buy them unless these cars are nice, guys. Power disc brakes on the front. Like I say, a ton of options on this car. Again, they've got it, because these cars came with a 396 in them. They've got it, the air cleaner insignia with the 396, but it's actually a 454 block, 4-barrel. It's got a Winners GM aluminum intake in it, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, HEI distributor. And a fun car to drive, guys. Shifts out good, plenty of power. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. Slick car. Fun car to bang the gears in. Nitpick that A-pillar chrome a little bit, but it's still pretty doggone nice. Nice mirrors, nice door handles on it. And up there in the interior. It's a fun business, man. These cars are cool. It's fun when you're finding cars, I'll tell you that. This is pretty cool too. It's got the split back bench seat, which is cool. So it's got the buddy seat or armrest in there. Sorry, not buddy seat. There's my Mopar guy coming out on me. Yeah, when you can find these, when you can find cars, the tough thing is just finding good cars at a good price, man. It's just tough. 52,022 on the odometer. That is supposed to be the right miles. Like I say, all the gauges are working. The tach was literally working. I don't know, no idea what happened. Blower motor works. I couldn't get the radio to come on. Parking brake works. I believe this one's full of Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's 12 bolt 355 limited slip. It's got the spare in there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Let's see, it's nice and clean. Good car. Outstanding financing rates right now. If you guys need financing, we do that. Matter of fact, with what the rates are right now, it's almost, we tell people sometimes better to keep your cash in your pocket. And, there we go. Keep your cash in the pocket and use the financing. Plus, the way these things go up every year, they're like giving you money to buy a car. Nice and clean underneath. They got some pictures underneath of the car for you. Seats are nice. Got the Muncie shifter in it. Cool car. And then, like I say, it's got all the SS trim. It's not a real SS though, guys. It is a tribute or clone car. Go ahead, Jordy. We've had some people emailing. These boys are getting better at banging these gears. Got good running big block in it. You know, just runs out nice. Pump gas motor. I mean, it runs good. I don't know. It's been my luck. Gauges all work in there. Parking brake does work. Again, I couldn't get the radio to come on. Blower motor does work. Doors open and close real nice. And looks like we got a bulb out on this side. We'll have that checked. Hit that again. Thought I seen it come on. Never mind. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Come on, Jordy, I'm just bragging about you, man. There you go, you can see it out in the sunlight a little bit. That's a good looking car. Have a great day, guys.